In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink a Google document into a page or an assignment within Canvas. Go ahead and go to Pages and then click on the plus page blue button. I should also note this can be done in a quiz as well. After you title your page and you write whatever you wish, I would suggest creating a template of a page that you can duplicate so you don't have to keep typing the same instructions over and over again for your assignments if you're just giving them the directions on how to access the assignment and how to submit the assignment. If they're directions directly related to the assignment, then you probably won't be able to use a template page. So in order to create a hyperlink, you just create the statement that you want to be the hyperlink. So I usually put click here to make a copy of your assignment. You need to go into your Google Drive document, go to the blue share link button, then you can copy the link. Make sure that if this is something the students need to access, that the access is to Clark County School District. Anyone in this group with this link can view. Copy the link, go back into Canvas, highlight your statement that you want to hyperlink, and then go over to the chain links, which is hyperlink icon in HTML speak. Drop it down to external links, and it will open up a new window. Under link, go ahead and paste in your copy of the link for your Google Drive document. Now, as you can see, the whole link is in the link box. What you want to do is at the end, take out the edit USP equals sharing, and then replace with the word copy, C-O-P-Y. Then click Done. When you're done with your page or your assignment or quiz, when you insert your hyperlink, go ahead and save. And then now you see your hyperlink statement as a link. When you click on it, the students will need to make a copy, which will go directly into their Google Drive. From this point forward, you may want to help direct them into moving that document into a share folder if you had them create a share folder for your course.